Hi everyone, welcome to Elegant Brigade, and today I'll be telling you how to do your peel off nail art. In case you are not in favor of using acetone on a regular basis, this would be good. So let's get started. I'm using Fevicol here, which is a kids glue available in India, and it is non-toxic and can be safely used on nails. Just take a 2-3 drops of it and use a regular paint brush. It is brush number 3 available on stationery shops, and a few drops of water is required. Make sure to only add water to make the glue spreadable, and do not add much water. Most of the peel off base coats available in the market are highly priced and are glue based, so they can be made using kids glue, and it is safe and inexpensive alternative. You can keep the mixture in empty nail paint bottle. I don't have it handy, so I'm making it in a bowl. You have to make the ratio 3:1, in which 3 parts of glue is there and 1 part of water. I realized that storing it in a nail paint bottle is a better idea. You have to apply a thin coat of it onto your nails. Make sure that nails are not oily. You may apply a second coat. The glue dries off transparent and does not interfere with the shade. Acetone is inexpensive and used in chemistry labs to clean them. Its inhalation, ingestion and absorption through the skin is highly dangerous and should be handled cautiously. It leads to reproductive toxicity and depressed central nervous system. My peel off base coat has dried and it took 10 minutes, and now I'm using nail vinyls. One is Maybelline Nude Skin and the another one is Gold Shimmer, bought from Reliance Trends. So I'm using 2 coats of the nail paint and not forgetting to seal the edges at the tips. Acetone free nail polish remover. Use ethyl acetate instead, which is mild and not that effective in removing polishes. Peel off base coat comes really handy when we are using glitter polishes, because they are hard to remove using acetone and are messy, and it is easier to use peel off polishes and if you like my channel, please take a while to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel. After 2 coats, the color comes opaque. After the nail paint dries off, do not forget to moisturize your cuticle using cuticle oil. This is a DIY cuticle oil. The recipe for the same is there on my channel. I will link its video in the description box below and in the I button as well. Please share the videos if you like, and gently massage the oil onto your fingers, and afterwards you are a free bird. You can just go and enjoy the nature or do whatever you like before peeling your nails off when you got bored of it. So for peeling you need a wooden stick, because that would be more gentle. Please do not use any metal scraping tool, that would do more harm than good. I haven't used the waterproof version of Fevicol to make this peel off base coat, so if I handle much of water, then the paint may flake off, but I haven't observed this. If you continuously scrape your nail paint or touch your nail paint, then it may surely flake off in case you are handling water. Otherwise it won't, and it will last for approximately 1 to 1.5 day or 2 days, and afterwards you may peel it off. The disadvantage of peel off base coat is that the longevity of any nail paint is reduced to a day or 2, but it gives you an advantage that whenever the nail gets chipped, you can peel off the entire base coat and redo your manicure once again. Also, if you wear nail polish often, it would keep you from using acetone on your nails. After peeling off the base coat, you can follow it up with some cuticle massage oil and drop it in beneath your nail beds as well, because it will help in moistening them. Massage it well. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, that avoid using any household chores, especially kneading a dough while cooking, because the nail paint may flake off in the dough because of being sticky, and it may be get ingested, and nail paint of any kind is not too good to go inside the body. So please keep that in mind and do not hesitate. Join the Elegant Brigade. Take care. Bye bye. Have happy nails as well.